A little cloudy outside. They say we might get rain. Glad I got some stuff done out. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. John Lynn here from Lynn's Homestead. Last video, I did a review on a heat gun. And I don't know. It's not smoking now. But I want to do a review on a soldering iron. My soldering gun took a dump. I didn't have it that long, but it has a nice case. So I bought a soldering iron. I've had one years ago. It was just never seen it got hot enough to do anything. Well, I'm not building boats, repairing boats, and working on big heavy trucks anymore. I'm working on my stuff. And occasionally, if somebody needs help, I got their back. So, bought this thing from Harbor Freight. Bought it at the same time as I bought that heat gun. So let's take a look and see what we have. Okay. Chicago Electric Welding. 30 watt, 120 volt soldering iron. Well, let's see what this thing does. Not sure what that was. Looks like an extra in there. Yeah, probably just a stand for it. Doesn't matter. Well, let's see what we got here. Well, this got a nice solid tip. Doesn't look like it's made too bad. Plug the thing in. See if it catches fire. Alright. We're going to let this thing heat up. We'll come back when it's nice and hot. Well, after about 15 minutes, it's turned to a color of blue. Now, we need to put a little solder on here to get it tempered. I guess is what they call it. See, is this not the lead-free electrical solder? Yeah. Well, let's see what it'll do anyways. Let's see if we can't get some solder on this wire here. Let's twist it up a little bit more. Thought I had me a little holder thing. It's funny how you buy something and it disappears. You know I bought something. So let's see. Not doing a whole heck of a lot of anything. Maybe the solder is too thick for it. Let's try this really small stuff. Because if it won't do what I need, no point in having it. Well, it kind of works. I don't know why. I know I always use the bigger stuff. But this doesn't really want to melt it that well. I mean, it looks like it may work. It's just not a consistent heat. I'm a little undecided. I mean, yes, it did solder, but look how long it took. Problem I had with the soldering gun, the tips would burn away. You can't just go and buy them. You have to order them. And the last one I ordered was supposed to be Weller brand. It wasn't like that when I got it. Kind of depressed me. But I don't know. I'm a little undecided with this. It's only 30 watts. Maybe if it was a higher grade, that would almost fit in here. But I'm going to let this thing cool down. I'll have to ponder on whether I want to bother with this thing or take it back. I mean, it did somewhat solder the wire, you know. I'm just not too sure. Let's see if you can see it there. I'm just not too sure on this. But anyways, that's it for now. Got some good news in the mail, so that's going to help me out when I go to the store. So, or not to the store, I should say. Got my 2 checks I've been waiting on. So I'm going to buy lumber so I can build my shelving unit over here. And hopefully I'll have enough, depending on the price of lumber, build a frame for my workbench over here. So if you haven't already, hope you subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell icon. And give me a thumbs up if you like this type of content. If you don't, leave a comment and tell me, what are you looking for? Maybe a video I can do, something that you want to see here. And share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.